Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to consider this data set F, which is already arranged in ascending order. Find the median. Okay, so looking at this set of data, median would be where the middle number is, and I saw that this particular number here is my median because this is right in the middle, and therefore there will be 3 data 11, 15, 16 on the left side and 3 data on my right side, 28, 37 and 43. So this 23 is exactly at the center. That would be my median, which is my Q2, second quartile. Alright, so that will be my median, Q2. Now, for my lower quartile, which is my Q1, okay, where is it? Now we need to focus on 11, 15 and 16. Out of these 3 data, which one is my middle number? Very good. 15. 15 is at the center of these 3 data, and therefore 15 will be my lower quartile. Okay, so that will be my Q1. And let's zoom in on 28, 37, 43. Out of these 3 data, where is the middle number? Yep. So my upper quartile, Q3, would then be 37. Yes, because this is in the middle. Alright. And so my Q3 would be 37. Last but not least, how do I find my interquartile range? Interquartile range is simply Q3. I will need to minus away my Q1 because we are talking about the middle 50% of the data. So in this case here, it will be 37 minus 15, 22. So this interquartile range will be equals to 22, where I will have my upper quartile Q3 minusing my lower quartile Q1. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.